Hello everyone. In the last video I had told you about the structure of protein. So today I will tell you about the denaturation process. Denaturation is a process in which proteins or nucleic acids lose their natural structure, their three-dimensional structure, due to the influence of external factors such as heat, pH changes, chemicals or radiations. These structural changes affects the biological function of the molecule. So first I will tell you about denaturation process in proteins. Proteins have a specific three-dimensional structures that is essential for their function. Denaturation involves the unfolding and disorganization of this structure, especially the secondary and tertiary structure, without breaking the primary peptide bonds between them. This can happen due to high temperature, strong acids or bases, alcohols or other organic solvents, heavy metals or detergents. As a result, the protein often loses its solubility and biological activity. A common example is boiling of egg, curdling of milk, and adding lemon to milk or cream. So let us move on to the next topic, which is denaturation in nucleic acids. So denaturation in nucleic acid refers to the separation of double-stranded DNA into single strands, typically by heating or in alkaline conditions. This breaks the hydrogen bonds between the bases but does not break the covalent bonds in the backbone. This process is reversible in DNA through renaturation under proper conditions. In summary, denaturation disrupts the normal structure and function of biomolecules, which can be reversed or irreversible, depend upon the conditions and molecules involved. Thank you.